Hello viewers, welcome to the Diamond Investor channel. Me, Iftikhar Chaudhary, bring you a new stock video today. The company name is Smile Direct. They are in a completely different industries, which is they're doing disruption on dental industries. I want to discuss about this one. There's a huge potential of this new company, which is trading in lots of countries, not only in UK, USA, Australia, and some other countries as well. There's a huge inside buying going on now. Lots of investors, hedge fund, they're also buying like crazy. But this company is losing money. It's really interesting. There's a huge potential. And from my point of view, like you can make double or triple your money in 3 to 5 years, but it's completely speculative. So if you're interested and you can see what's going on, who doing what and what I am doing, if you're interested, follow with me. Let's dive in. Thank you. So we go straight to the charts and some price points. How is it going? What's going on with this one? So let's see if I can find something interesting for you guys and if you can see like something you like to see. Okay, so first thing at the moment, we go about the description about the Smile Direct Club. So they operate in the oral care company. You can see in this picture at the moment, and it offers clear aligning therapy for the tooth, whitening the tooth, and lots of other things. There are at the moment more than 250 sets licensed orthodontist and also general dentist through the teledentistry platform. So they're not only selling the product for the dental problems and things, they also have a like platform. So they're doing like a telemedical supports for the dentist industry. They're not only doing business in UK, they're doing in USA, Puerto Rico, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, Ireland, Hong Kong, Germany, Singapore, Spain, Australia. It's like all over everywhere. They're doing a very niche market about the dentist. So not that many competitor around with them. Plus, they're doing something very differently than any other company around the dentist doing. They make a huge cost reduction on the dental product, which is like 60% less price. If you go, if you're in UK or USA, you need to pay a lot of money, half the amount of money if you want to do anything for the tooth. So if you want to aligning, shining your tooth or solving some of the tooth problem, you need to pay a lot of money. And at the moment, because of the pandemic, everyone who have some problem with the tooth, I think that all the dentists was like only serving the people who have like any kind of emergency reason. So that's the only case you can get served. So that's why Smile Direct as well, Smile Direct also has been affected because of the pandemic. Everything was closed, so their sales go down, the price gone down really huge. So the burning cash at the moment. So here they have a huge debt because last 2 years they didn't make that much business. That's why the stock price gone down very much. And yeah, I was waiting for yesterday. There was a earning report came out. So as I expected, the report was not that much good. They lose some of the money that the analysts expecting they would make, but they didn't catch it up. So the price gone down after the market close. So let's go dive in. Let's see what's going on. So if you see the price point at the moment, the price when the market closed, it was $6.70 USD, and after the market close, the price go down nearly more than 10%. You can see here. So, and at the moment, this is only because of the earning report, which earning report is saying actually they did not make that much money. So I want to explain a few things in here. What's going on with other people? Insiders buying this stock like crazy. Hedge fund are buying as well very much because the price is really like a steal. So if I go here in Smile Direct, I'm again using this Simply Wall Street to find more analysis about the company. You see this stock is trading at the moment 68.3 below the estimated fair value price. After the 10% go down is more cheaper now at the moment. Earning forecast is like 75% per year, which is huge. And if you go the valuation, that's what I've told you guys. Future growth, I told you it's extreme at the moment. You can see a huge upside of this company, and the valuation you saw 15%, like more than 50% down. Okay, you can see 68% after 10% down. It's not actually updated at the system at the moment because I'm making a video when the market is closed. So it could be like more than like actually 78% undervalued at the moment. Future growth is 75% at the moment. So past performance was minus something, minus 19, because I mentioned because all the sales was closed because of the pandemic and there was not that much sales, so they lose lots of money. Financial health, so if you go to the financial health, they have a huge debt. So that's why the stock price gone down. People don't want to touch the stock which don't have a huge debt. The debt is like 905%. It's crazy. But funny thing is, look, this debt just grown up because they did not had any sale from 2019. Then 2020 the sale gone completely like down. You can see 2019 30 September, and after the pandemic hit, then the sales gone down, revenue gone down, and then they made a huge loss. So at the moment, if you go down a bit, like balance sheet, actually, what's the condition? Actually, they have sufficient cash runaway, so they can survive 3 years. That's the point. So they have enough cash runway, the income they're generating. So this cash flow, if it stays as normal how it is growing now, so they have enough cash to maintain their company for 3 years. That's the time I need. So in this 3-year time horizon, they will get back to their feet. The sales gonna go up because everything is open now. People are going out now, going for commuting now. People are gonna interested to make themselves look better, so they're gonna put more money and do two things like what they couldn't do before. So in that sense, actually, I think the sales gonna go higher very, very soon. So, and if I want to discuss some of the other things, actually what I noted down, I don't want to make a long video like before. I want to make it quicker and shorter if possible. So their specific point is they're in a niche market. So not that many people or not that many companies actually competing with them. And, they operate in like lots of countries, not only one specific territory like in UK or the USA. So they're all over everywhere. So that's a good point of view. And they have a tele-dentistry platform as well, which one they have like subscription type of system. So they're not only selling the tooth liner or something like one go and just not making any more money. They have a recurrent revenue coming in. So that's another good income. And plus, actually, if you calculate the equity to the debt ratio, which is really high, but as soon as they start generating the income, I think they can cover up which one we have seen before. And plus, actually, though their share price go down, the debt is too high. What's going on with the other people? What the other people doing? We are selling. Most of the people, like normal people, they keep selling it because stock price going down too much. And also earning report says that they missed the target. Actually, what is the target? So the analysts actually make a price, the prediction. They predict a price, maybe this Smile Direct gonna do this much sales and stuff. When they could catch it, so the price go down. Actually, it's a prediction. Nobody can predict anything. So sometimes they do good, sometimes they're not going to do it. But we all know that because everything was closed, so it is normal for me. So I'm not panicking. I'm not selling on any of my stocks. So because my prediction is they're going to do better in the long run. My plan is for 3 to 5 years maximum, not more, at least 3 years. So if I see 3 years, they have cash runway, so they're not going to be bankrupt in 3 years, and they have enough cash to run their company. In this 3 years, they catch up the sales, and I think their stock price is going to be appreciated in the meantime. If the stock price is going to appreciate like 78%, what I have seen at the moment, so I easily can make my money triple. That's my plan. And if I go, okay, look, I want to see what's the other people doing. That's my thinking, my analogy. I'm not saying as a disclaimer. I don't take anything what I know like a financial advice. I completely sharing my opinion before you investing. So at the moment, other people doing what's the hell doing and what the so you can actually few of the board officer, he bought the stock. You can see the CEO, he bought 31st of August, more than like, wow, you can see on your own. And he bought the price stock actually $8.10-ish. At the moment, the price is, you can see it is below than that one. It is at the moment only $6.70. So we have a marginal safety there. We're buying the stock cheaper than the CEO bought last year. That's a good point. So I think it's a very good deal at the moment. And okay, that's the insider. They keep buying it. And last insider bought actually May. It's not too far, just May. And he bought it like $7.83, 13,000 shares. He bought it in May. We are at the moment August. In the May he bought it like 13,000. So that's a good thinking. So it's not too far. And what's the hedge fund, like big dogs, what they're doing? So you can see that most of the people, they increase their position like crazy. Vanguard, they increase their position 7%, and the first top insider holding, the top hedge fund holding, they're holding more than 10% stock, and they don't sell anything. And Vanguard, and they increase their positions, and all other top investors increase their position except this company. They reduce their exposure. I don't know why, they know very well, but you can see that most of the people, they increase their position like 23%, 55%. BlackRock as well, 4%, which is like Citadel, which is very renowned companies, investment funds. And you can see, but this is more than 8,200%, more than 1,000% Citigroup. So JP Morgan increase as well. And you can see every single person, is most of them, they increase their position. So by this way, I can also say that actually it is a good stock to thinking about in your list. You can think about it, you can look around. If you feel interesting, maybe I would say like you can do your own due diligence, and after, if you feel comfortable, maybe you can go for it. It's your decision. So before I finish it up, I will go for one more thing, that actually there's lots of mixed analyst thinking and thoughts going on the market. So one analyst saying this is a strong buy, two analysts is saying this is a buy, three analysts is actually saying that it's a hold, five saying sell, four saying can underperform. It already underperformed. So actually it's like mixed feelings, but when we see their whatever they say to us is different, but whatever they're doing in the market, we can see is different. So they'll keep buying the stocks and make it bigger position. So I started buying as well. I have a very small investment on that on this stock. As a disclaimer, I have a bit like few £100, not too much. My plan is, because the price dropped now more than 10% after the earning report, my plan is to nibble in and buy a bit more, so I make a good position and wait and hold for a few years, and let's see how it's going. So I wrap up the video here today. I'm not going to make it more long. If you like the video, if you like the content, please smash the like button for me, and do subscribe. And also leave a comment if you like my video, and stay tuned. I will bring with more new ideas, more new stocks for you. Thank you.